It's Thursday, February 12th, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. Cold air moving in. There was some snow this morning, a nice burst right around rush hour. A lot of areas saw a quick inch of snow. The heaviest snow was actually on the west side. New London in Huron County saw a quick 3 to 4 inches. Millersburg in Holmes County saw 2 inches of snow in an hour with a burst this morning. You can see on Lake Erie we actually have some clear skies. There's a crack in the ice east of the islands and also along the northern shoreline. Other than that, it's frozen, so limited moisture off of Lake Erie. However, there is another little disturbance dropping across the lake right now, which could cause another little increase in snow in the snowbelt, especially in the higher terrain into early this afternoon. The big story, though, the rest of the day and through tonight will be the cold. Taking a look across the entire country this morning, not a ton going on. Big story is the cold across the upper Midwest into the upper Great Lakes. A good chunk of that cold is coming our way for the next 24 hours or so. We'll discuss the cold here more in just a moment. Snow with the cold front from the Ohio Valley into parts of the Mid-Atlantic and New England. Same front that brought us the snow showers this morning, and the same front that's ushering in the colder air. Amounts generally pretty light, although in New England they've gotten an incredible amount of snow over the last few weeks. They really don't need any more. Other than that, it's actually fairly quiet across the country today. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, yesterday we did 34 and 12, a little bit below the averages of 37 and 23. Records for today are 68 and 8 below zero. 0.02 of an inch of precipitation at Hopkins yesterday and a trace of snow. We're running near normal on the monthly precipitation, a little bit above normal on the year. Sunset tonight, 5:57. Looking ahead now, wind chill advisories are going to kick in this afternoon, run through early Friday afternoon. Colder air is going to keep filtering in, and we're going to stay pretty breezy into Friday. So wind chills this afternoon are going to fall to -5 to -10 or so. Tonight, wind chills of 10 to 20 below, if not even a little bit colder in some spots. That's cold enough for frostbite to set in half an hour or less if precautions aren't taken. So make sure you bundle up over the next 24 to 36 hours. So for the rest of the day, there could be another increase in the snow showers through early this afternoon, especially in the snowbelt. Maybe another inch or two of snow. That won't be the big deal, though. The big deal will be the cold. Temperatures sliding through the teens this afternoon into the single digits by this evening. Most areas are going to get a little bit below zero tonight for the low, that is air temperature. Wind chills falling below zero this afternoon, 10 to 20 below, maybe even a little colder tonight with that stiff northwesterly breeze. So you're definitely going to want to bundle up out there over the next 24 or 36 hours. Taking a look ahead on one of our forecast computer models now, the burst of snow from this morning pulling out could be another little increase into early this afternoon, especially in the higher terrain of the snowbelt, because the hills, they force the air to rise and help wring out a little bit more moisture, and moisture is limited with all the ice on Lake Erie. It wouldn't surprise me if also on the west side there's a little bit more snow, because there is a pretty large opening in the ice just east of the Lake Erie Islands. Other than that, the lake is pretty much frozen. Things are going to wind down tonight. Could be a little bit of moisture from Lake Huron into Ashtabula County at times later today into this evening. Other than that, once we head into tonight, everything should just diminish to flurries. The air mass is really going to dry out, and with all the ice on the lake, I just don't think there will be enough juice to get any lake-affected consequence after later this afternoon. And even today, only, like I said, another inch or two in parts of the snowbelt. As we head into tomorrow, the model doesn't show anything. Some flurries could persist along the eastern lakeshore through the morning, although by the time we hit the afternoon, it looks like we'll hopefully dry out and break into some partly to mostly sunny skies. Big story again, the falling temperatures. You can see temperatures slowly falling through the rest of today into tonight. This blast of cold is really just glancing us. The worst of it will go just to our east. So our northeastern counties here in the snowbelt, they stand the best chance of getting the coldest tonight. Everyone should get cold down to near zero, maybe a little bit below. Best chance to get several degrees below zero, probably in the northeastern corner of the state, before we warm up a little bit into the teens for Friday. Moving on now, high pressure. This big blue circle moves right over Ohio for Friday. That's what will bring us some sun. However, a low pressure system will drop into the Great Lakes Friday night into Saturday, bringing a return of snow chances for Friday night. It is looking like there could be a pretty good period of light snow Friday night into Saturday morning. And then Saturday morning, an Arctic front is going to move through. That could bring another snow squall similar to what we saw this morning. Could bring a quick couple inches or so of snow with the Arctic front. Maybe a little bit of enhancement developing downwind of Lake Erie. Later Saturday into Saturday night, there could be some Lake Huron moisture into northeastern Ohio. So this could add up to maybe 2 to 4 inches for everyone, with the shot of snow ahead of the front, and then the squall along the front Friday night into Saturday morning, and then maybe a little bit more in the snow belt, especially if we get some Lake Huron moisture. This model really dries us out for Sunday. I do think we'll hang on to mostly cloudy skies and some flurries on Sunday as New England sees yet another winter storm. Big high pressure moves overhead for Sunday night that'll clear us out and let us really drop like a rock by Monday morning. So here's just a quick snapshot of the big picture weather map for Saturday afternoon. Really an incredible setup for very cold air late Saturday into Sunday. You can see the jet stream coming all the way down from the North Pole, and you can see a very potent trough diving through the Great Lakes. This isn't the polar vortex per se. The polar vortex is all over the polar regions, but this is an extension of it that'll be moving through the Great Lakes this weekend. Similar setup to what brought us the cold last year. Temperatures could actually get similar to some of the bigger cold shots that we saw last year, and I'll show you that on the 7-day here right now. So tomorrow the sun will return. It'll still be cold. Snow moves in tomorrow night into the day Saturday. Snow showers around. There could be some snow squalls with the Arctic front. Windy, falling temperatures through the day, looking like a general 2 to 4 inches of snow Friday night through Saturday, with locally some more in the snow belt. And then look at Saturday night, low temperatures 5 to 10 degrees below zero. It'll still be breezy. Wind chills are going to be absolutely bone chilling late Saturday through Sunday night. Wind chills could be 20 to 30 below zero. Sunday, still mostly cloudy, still a few snow showers around, although not as snowy and windy as Saturday. High temperatures Sunday struggling to get above zero. Sunday night, if we stay clear, low temperatures double digits below zero. Quite possible, especially outside of town, we could see some record lows Saturday night and Sunday night. Monday, we get a brief respite before we track another system for the middle portions of next week, and we'll look at that much more over the next few days. With NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Check us out again tomorrow.